Okay, today we're going to show quickly how to upgrade to DCC a BlueLine steam engine. In the BlueLine manual, on page 13 is a list of acceptable decoders. You can use any other decoder that'll fit, but these ones are ones that we've tested and we know they work well. On page 14 is specific instructions that tell how to do this. I will go through it for visual reference. First thing you need to do is open up the tender. Inside the tender there's a small jumper board. You remove the jumper board. You take your decoder, you plug it in to the NMRA socket that's in there. Paying attention to the placement of the orange wire that orients it. If you plug it in backwards, it'll just run backwards. If you do that, flip the decoder around if possible. You put it back together, and the locomotive should now be ready to operate in DCC. And since the engine is by default number 3, and the decoders, all major brands of decoders are default number 3, before you do anything else you should run the engine as engine 3 to make sure it works. Okay, once you install the decoder, make sure you can run it as engine 3. You should be able to move the locomotive, blow the whistle. You know that everything's installed and it's working properly. Now at this point most people want to change the address to what's written on the side. We're going to change this to a Ford address of 3260. Now the easiest way, the preferred way to do this is on the main line using ops mode. To do that with an NC Procab, press the program button. It'll say program loco on main. You press enter. It's programming loco 3. That's what we want. We press enter again. Now it says press 1 for address. We press 1. We want a long address. We press 1 again. We enter that address, in this case 3260. We press enter. That's it. Now the loco it should be reprogrammed as engine 3260. We'll test it. We can move it. We can blow the whistle. Everything's fine. It's that easy. If you're using the Digitrax system, it's very similar. You press the program button, and you have to press it twice, because to get into the ops mode programming there's a little icon here that says P with a little 0 next to it. That's ops mode programming. Once it says P0, you rotate the left button all the way down and it'll say add 2 equals. If you want to make it a 4-digit address, you press the right throttle. It'll switch that to address 4. And then you turn the throttle and it'll start to show the numbers. If you want to make it 3260, you enter in at that point 3260. You press enter and it'll ask you if you want to enable the 4-digit address. You quickly press the Y and it'll acknowledge, and that's all there is to it. It's now programmed as 3260.